Apply transformation formula of cos C minus cos D and sin C minus sin D. Tan of A plus B can be written as minus tan C because it is tan 180 minus C, which is negative in the second quadrant, so therefore we can write directly as minus tan C. So when you multiply 2 into 2, it gets back to power 4 only. Now this is in the form of A square minus B square. So this can be written as A plus B, A minus B. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidyashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysore. So in the previous session, we were discussing on 2 marks problem question. We will continue the same, that is prove that questions. So first question of this session is prove that 1 plus sine 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. So here, first let us substitute for sine 2 theta and cos 2 theta. So LHS is equal to 1 plus sine 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. So what is sine 2 theta? It is 2 sine theta cos theta. And cos 2 theta can be written as cos square theta minus sine square theta. Now denominator is in the form of A plus B, and in the numerator you can replace 1 by sine square plus cos square as you have did it earlier. So here I can write this as cos square theta plus sine square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta over this can be written as cos theta plus sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta. So this can be written as numerator cos theta plus sine theta whole square whole divided by cos theta plus sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta. So here the factor cos theta plus sine theta cancels. You are left with cos theta plus sine theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta. Here divide both numerator and denominator by cos theta. So you will get cos by cos is 1 plus sine theta by cos theta is tan theta whole divided by again cos theta by cos theta is 1. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So which is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, that is right hand side of the required result. Hence it is proved. So next we have cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Let us consider the left hand side part. Here cos power 4 theta can be written as cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square. So when you multiply 2 into 2, it gets back to power 4 only. Now this is in the form of A square minus B square. So this can be written as A plus B, A minus B. So this is now cos square theta plus sin square theta into cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now cos square theta sin square value is 1. And cos square theta minus sin square theta is your cos 2 theta, a multiple angle formula, that is cos 2 theta into 1 is equal to cos 2 theta, that is the right hand side of the required result, hence it is proved. Next we have cos 2a minus cos 12a divided by sin 12a minus sin 2a is equal to tan 7a. Apply transformation formula of cos c minus cos d and sin c minus sin d. Cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So here LHS can be converted into minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is 2a plus 12a divided by 2, and sin c minus d by 2, that is 2a minus 12a divided by 2 whole divided by denominator is 2 cos 12a plus 2a by 2 and sin 12a minus 2a by 2. Now here you will get it as 2 get cancels, minus sine 2a plus 12a is 14a. 14a by 2 is sine 7a. And next you have 2a minus 12a by 2, which is sine of minus 5a, divided by cos 7a sine 5a. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So this becomes minus sine 7a. Since this becomes minus sine theta, minus into minus plus you will get. Here it is sine 5a whole divided by, which is cos 7a into sine 5a. Sine 5a get cancelled. Sine 7a by cos 7a is tan 7a. So using transformation formula, we can derive the result. So next we have a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Prove that tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a into tan b into tan c. So we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 5. So a plus b is equal to pi minus c. When you apply tan on both sides, it is tan a plus b, which can be written as minus tan c. We have learnt already tan of a plus b can be written as minus tan c, because it is tan 180 minus c, which is negative in the second quadrant. So therefore we can write directly as minus tan c. Apply the formula tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to minus tan c. Now multiply to your right hand side, that is tan a plus tan b is equal to minus tan c plus tan a tan b tan c. So shift minus tan c to the left hand side, it becomes tan a into tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a into tan b into tan c. So this is the required result. Next is sin 2a plus sin 5a minus sin a divided by sin 2a plus cos 5a plus cos a is equal to tan square a. So let us consider the left hand side part. Here I'll apply the transformation formula to the last two terms. I'll keep the first term as same. So sin 2a, take this as sin c minus sin d. Then it is plus, here it becomes 2 cos 5a plus a by 2 into sin 5a minus a by 2 whole divided by, here cos 2a, keep it as it is. I'll take cos 5a plus cos a, that is cos c plus cos d. So which is again 2 cos 5a plus a by 2 cos 5a minus a divided by 2. Now you have here sin 2a plus 2 cos 3a sin 2a, because it is 6a by 2 which becomes 3a, and this is 4a by 2 which becomes 2a. Next you have cos 2a plus 2 cos 3a cos 2a. Here you can take sin 2a as common factor. So you are left with 1 plus 2 cos 3a whole divided by, here you can take cos 2a as common factor. So it is 1 plus 2 cos 3a. So therefore both the result cancels, that is equal to tan 2a, which is the right hand side. So here it is equal to tan 2a. Next you have proved that sin pi by 3 plus a minus cos pi by 3 minus a is equal to sin a. Again apply the formula of sin c minus cos d formula. So LHS can be written as 2 cos pi by 3 plus a plus pi by 3 minus a whole divided by 2, and sin pi by 3 plus a minus pi by 3, minus of minus a becomes plus a divided by 2. So here plus a minus a cancel, pi by 3 minus pi by 3 get cancels. So 2 cos 2 pi by 3 by 2 becomes pi by 3 only. Here 2a by 2 becomes sin a. Now cos pi by 3 is equal to half into sin a. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. The value is equal to sin a. Hence the result is proved. Next we have prove that sin 2 alpha plus sin 3 alpha divided by cos 2 alpha minus cos 3 alpha is equal to cot alpha by 2. So again using the transformation formula, LHS can be written as sin C plus sin D means 2 sin, that is 2 alpha plus 3 alpha by 2 cos 2 alpha minus 3 alpha divided by 2. Whole divided by here cos 2 alpha minus cos 3 alpha, that is cos C minus cos D, can be written as minus 2 sin 2 alpha plus 3 alpha by 2 sin 2 alpha minus 3 alpha divided by 2. Now here it is equal to 2 sin, so 3 alpha plus 2 alpha is 5 alpha by 2. Here it is cos 2 alpha minus alpha, which is cos minus alpha by 2, whole divided by minus 2 sin 5 alpha by 2, and that is sin minus alpha by 2. So 2 and 2 get cancelled, sin 5 alpha by 2, sin 5 alpha by 2, minus of sin theta is sin of minus theta. So if you take minus outside, it is minus, and cos of minus theta is cos theta. So whenever you have cos of minus theta, you can write it as cos theta, but when it is sin of minus theta, it is minus sin theta. So here even though it is cos of minus theta, you can write it as cos alpha by 2 divided by, here it is sin of minus, outside you have minus, minus into minus becomes plus, so sin alpha by 2. Now cos by sin is cot of alpha by 2, that is equal to the right hand side of the result which is required. Hence the result is proved. In our next session, we will meet with few more problems. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.